Suppose you have a world in which everything is connected. Your phone will become your power bank, your computer will become a mobile online accessible app. And the only thing which is stopping you is your thinking and your data pack. Hey guys, my name is Abhishek Raj Mishra. You are watching Aztec.in and today we're going to talk about 5G. And we are living in 2020, so if you are alive, congratulations. With that said, let's roll the intro. 5G is a mobile network. Why am I saying it mobile network? Okay. See, there are two types of network. First thing is wired, second thing is wireless. Wired network is what every big tech company is working on right now and they are currently running on it. Wired, one thing is it is costly. Second thing is it needs maintenance. And these are the pros of wireless. It is not costly and it doesn't need maintenance. Have you ever heard a man going to fix a ear? It never happened. Okay, so this is why wireless is very important to the companies. Companies are thinking that they can become more sustainable, they can save more money and they can grab more audience without infrastructure. They don't have to build more infrastructure because they can use God's own made infrastructure, air. And 5G is fast also. And before I come to 5 and G, what is this G? The G is a generation, not for genius, okay? And why it is called 5G? One thing is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and there is all 0G also. 0G was like your telephone, okay? You have seen Golmaal movie, khar phones. You just pick the phone, you take the call. Second thing is you can send a text message and you can make a call. That is 1G. Second generation is you can send a text, you can fix a call, and then you can surf the internet and if here and there download an image or something. Then came the third generation. You can download movies, you can download music, you can surf internet, you can call people. And then come the biggest revolution which I have seen in my generation. I'm very honored by this thing. Well, 4G, fourth generation. Everything becomes super fast. Now we are talking because of the 4G, okay? And now one more thing is coming. That is 5G. And this is a big, you can take it, revolution. It is a big revolution. Why? Take it like this, okay? 5G is going to be 500 times faster than currently speeds. And 500% of anything is good. 500% discount is good. 500% weight loss is super. Although that will be the end of me, but still. And according to TRAI, okay, March result, this is Indian government agency, okay? What they said that there is an increase of 3.4% people using internet. And how much that 3.4% is? 44 million people. That is Ukraine, okay? And or as Vladimir Putin calls it, my playground. With that said, this is big thing, okay? This is big tech going around. People are shifting to 4G. People are using internet more. And when the 5G will come, people will shift to 5G. And how boldly I can say this thing? Because when the 4G came, we shifted to 4G. But one thing, okay, everybody is talking about 5G solution, nobody is talking about 5G. Why? 5G solution means solution to the people's economical problem. When I say people, I mean corporates. Sounds weird? Yeah, it is weird. So suppose you are a businessman, if you are, okay, please sponsor us. But suppose you are a businessman and you are running a big firm. Now, the world is coming where hardware resources are not needed anymore. What will you do? You will try to shift your business to services. What will you call your services? A solution to a problem. That is what 5G solution is. People are creating 5G solutions means people are creating web services for the people. We are using a web service for our website, that is Amazon web services, that is AWS. We are using our computers to edit stuff over the remote access computers, which were on Google Cloud but now on Amazon Web Services because they are fast. These are big things happening, and with the 5G, when the 5G will come, okay, the internet connection will become so fast, remote computers and your personal computer will look the same, will feel the same, and people and companies want these things be on their side. And that is why they call it 5G solution. 5G solution is nothing more than a new money making machine. But is it bad? No, and not at all, okay? Suppose you don't have money to do things. Now you can just rent a space online. With a fraction of money you have to pay to buy these things and use it. That is cool. That is really cool, okay? It was not available on our time. Maybe people from other generations can use it, and I'm definitely sure this will bring a big revolution. But there is a lacking feature of 5G also. It can be blocked very easily. The 5G network can be blocked very easily. It can be even blocked by rain. If it rains really hard, boom, 5G is gone. So what is the solution? The solution is fix the node. When I say node, it is a like, take it like this, okay? This is a box through which 5G can get transferred to your phone, okay? With this node, they can transfer 5G to your colony, and they will need how much? Approximately, if they're gonna apply it in India, they're gonna need in millions, in hundreds of millions, okay? So, and in other countries also, because the one node can carry on one society. So the big tower days will go away. And one more thing, your phone will start to get more and more battery, and it will heat more. Let me tell you why. Because 5G is not very sustainable right now, so it will keep on shifting from 5G to 4G to 3G. So it will keep on shifting from 5G to 4G, and that will heat your phone, okay? So this is one problem, and another problem is the phones, the network. Will they be able to catch it? Well, companies have came up with one thing. It is called MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. What does this mean? Multiple input means it can take the multiple input, it have multiple places of input, and multiple output is it have multiple places to give output. Because 5G can easily be blocked even by your hand if you hold it. If you hold your phone in a position where there is a network adapter, you can literally block it. So they have placed multiple network adapters and called it MIMO. It is just a fancy word. It is just that multiple network adapters at multiple places. So this is one thing, and this is working out right now. People and companies are trying to find out these things. People and companies are trying to find solutions to these things where they can make these things sustainable. And people are trying really hard to make 5G come to your city. And it is gonna come in India soon, okay? Don't worry. India is going to be the biggest 5G hub, and why I can say this thing? Because of the Jio, which have 52% market cap in India. It is a monopoly, man. But take it like this: it is 52%, and to be honest, if Jio is monopoly, okay, I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it because they are giving good stuff to customers, okay? And what we need in terms of customer is good services. And with 5G, we are gonna get the best services. So 5G is a very positive thing happening. And the only downfall is our thought process. So one thing you focus on, reading. Reading will increase your thought process a lot. And where can you read? One website is icetech.in. You go and read our articles. Other websites are, we have researched this thing from Indian Express. I will put down the link below. Check their article, that was also good. We have researched from, I literally cannot remember the website, but it was cool. I will link down below. And multiple websites we have researched from for this video. We have came up with lots of good facts, that is why we are able to tell. So that increased our creativity to increase this quality of the video. And I'm 100% sure if you read, your quality of thoughts will also increase. If you don't believe me, just try it for 1 month, okay? With that said, guys, take care. This is 2020, okay? Bye.